Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the science class. This is your science book, which is Science Fact File 1. Students, we are starting the second chapter, which is Life and Living Things. Students, we have been starting the sense organs and we have learned the sense organ, eyes, ears and skin. And today we will learn the tongue and nose, which are also the sense organs. Tongue is the sense organ of taste and nose is the sense organ of smell. So let's start reading and understand the concepts which is given in this topic. Your tongue has taste buds in between the ridges. Taste buds are sensitive to 4 basic tastes. Bitter means karwa, salty, namkeen, sour, khatta and sweet, meetha. Nerve cells in the taste buds send signals to the brain which interpret them as taste. टेस्ट बड्स में मौजूद नर्व सेल्स दिमाग तक सिग्नल्स भेजते हैं ताकि जो ब्रेन है वो इन सिग्नल्स को इंटरप्रेट करे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेस्ट. Although these tastes can be detected all over the tongue, हमारी पूरी ज़ुबान के ऊपर टेस्ट डिटेक्ट होता है. Scientists have shown that different areas of the tongue are more sensitive to certain taste than others. Students, in this diagram, you can see that there is different areas on the tongue which is specific for certain taste. Spicy is not a taste. Spiciness is in fact a form of pain sensation. Nose. Your nose contains nerve cells that are sensitive to chemical in the air. आपके नोज़ में नर्व सेल्स होते हैं डेट आर सेंसिटिव टू केमिकल्स और वो इन केमिकल्स के लिए बहुत सेंसिटिव होते हैं जो कि एयर में होते हैं. व्हेन यू ब्रीथ इन थ्रू योर नोज़, जब आप ब्रीथ करते हैं यानी सांस लेते हैं, दीज केमिकल्स डिज़ोल्व इन द थिन फिल्म ऑफ वाटर दैट कवर्स द इनसाइड. तो आपके नोज़ के अंदर थिन फिल्म ऑफ वाटर होता है और जैसे ही आप सांस लेते हैं ये जो केमिकल्स होते हैं वो वाटर के अंदर डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं. द डिज़ोल्व्ड केमिकल्स आर डिटेक्टेड बाय नर्व सेल्स. और ये जो डिज़ोल्व केमिकल्स होते हैं वो नर्व सेल्स के ज़रिए से डिटेक्ट किए जाते हैं और इनके जो सिग्नल्स होते हैं वो ब्रेन को सेंड किए जाते हैं और ब्रेन इनको इंटरप्रेट करता है एज अ स्मेल. डिड यू नो फ्लेवर्स आर स्मेल? That's why you don't taste your food so well if a cold blocks your nose. जब आपको फ्लू हुआ होता है तो आप किसी भी फूड के टेस्ट को अच्छे से सेंस नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि आपका जो नोज़ होता है वो ब्लॉक हुआ होता है विद म्यूकस. There are about 9,000 taste buds on your tongue. आपकी ज़ुबान पर 9,000 टेस्ट बर्ड्स मौजूद हैं and 20 million smell cells in your nose. Now we will cover the test yourself on the page number 28. So let's start. The question number 1 is, where are your taste buds? The answer is, our tongue has taste buds in between the ridges. Taste buds are sensitive to 4 basic tastes: bitter, salty, sour and sweet. Question number 2 is, why is it an advantage to move food around your mouth before you swallow it? The answer is, when we chew food in our mouth, it mixes with saliva and digestion of food starts. By chewing food, it is converted into smaller particles and it becomes easier for the esophagus to push it down. The question number 3 is, explain why you seem to lose your sense of taste when you have a cold. The answer is, we seem to lose our sense of taste when we have a cold because our nose becomes blocked with mucus. The question number 4 is, name the 5 senses and their sense organs. The answer is, there are 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell and taste. Eyes, ears, skin, nose and tongue are 5 sense organs of these senses respectively. Students, today we have completed the sense organs. I hope you understand the concepts which is given in this topic. Stay safe at your homes and keep praying for your country. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.